Hey family, this is Reginald Kuakaru. This is what I want to give to you today. Work to become the best version of yourself every day. That means you do that based on what you believe that to be. When you're living joyfully and at peace daily, then being you is a success. Being spiritual doesn't mean to live inside someone else's definition. That's mental bondage. It means recognizing that being human is as natural as being spiritual because you are a spiritual being having a human experience. It's not about trying to be more spiritual because you are already. It's about developing the connection to your God self. You'll develop that connection by living authentically and unapologetically you. To people who immediately take being unapologetic as meaning being ugly and nasty to others, that's not what that means. Unapologetic means having a true confidence in who you are. Confidence comes from a place of inner peace about who you are. People that are arrogant, ugly, and not willing to apologize for treating people badly are masquerading as confident. Deep down, they're afraid to be found out. Their fear might be that they will be discovered as being fake, not because they are, but because they feel they are, for whatever the reason. Being unapologetic means that you live life in a way that you have no regrets. That may mean you do apologize to someone that you wronged years before or yesterday. Not because you're supposed to, but because you value them as a loving reflection of yourself. When you hurt them, you hurt yourself. Until you do, you have a regret that needs resolution. Unresolved, it could turn into a need for chakra work. But when you become the better version of yourself, you know better and strive to be better. Not because of what others might think or say, but because of who you are and who you are evolving into as that better version. You will live authentically from your own space of originality and peace. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.